Chapter 2 Sample Problem 14. Determine the magnitude and the direction of couple M, which will replace the two given couple and still produce the same external effect on the block. Specify the two forces F and minus F applied in the two forces of block parallel to the YZ plane, which may replace the four given forces. The 13 Newton forces act parallel to the YZ plane. Consider the picture here again. You should calculate the various momentum. These two forces produce an mz. Besides this component of the 30 Newton force here. So for mz, we have if the positive direction, we choose the counterclockwise as a positive direction. Clockwise positive direction. Counterclockwise x, y, and z. Z is in plus, and counter clockwise is plus mz equals to 25 multiplied to 1/10 in the minus sign plus 30 cosinus 60 multiplied to the distance between two forces 6. mz can be calculated and is 1.6 Newton meter. And we have my, a couple that produces my. Only these two forces produces my. 30 sinus 60 multiply to the distance Newton meter. Mx equals to 0. So M, we have J the magnitude of M Newton meter. The force applied to the block can be shown on this picture, where the theta equals to tangent inverse My on Mz. For the forces F and minus F, apply it to the block in the plane shown here. F equals to the magnitude of the moment on the side of the block